to show you how you can use the Aalberg AERO wireless remote controller to wirelessly control any audio software that uses MIDI controlling on an Apple computer. And this is done by using Bluetooth MIDI. So what you need to set this up is to go to the MIDI audio MIDI setup, show MIDI Studio, double click the Bluetooth, put your arrow into bonding mode. This is done by pressing the left arrow, the rotary button, and then turn it on like this. You can see that it shows in the list here now. Type connect, get a pairing request from your computer, pair, yes, you want to do that, and then connect it. Now you can actually use the AERO controller to wirelessly control whatever you want in your audio software. That's really cool. For example, in Ableton Live, make sure that these guys are turned to on in the MIDI preferences for the AERO. Open the MIDI mapping editor, just remove this. Now you can select the parameters you want to change, and when I now turn the dial of the AERO, you can see that it maps that physical controller to the ones that I want to control here. And I can also, of course, set different ranges for those. So when I now turn the physical rotary dial of the arrow, you can see that I'm actually changing those parameters. And I mean, there's so much creative potential in this for the Ableton users. So I'm looking forward to see what you guys can do here. Also, you can use it with, for example, Logic. If you type Command L, you'll get a MIDI mapping editor. And if I select the master volume, for example, and now turn the rotary dial of the AERO wireless controller, you can actually see that I'm wirelessly controlling the master volume of Logic on my MacBook. And it could be Mainstage, Cubase, Pro Tools, you name it. A lot of different software you can map up, control wirelessly. To change between sounds, start and stop recordings from a distance without having to run over to your computer. You can stand in your home studio playing your guitar solo and controlling the transport in your program from the AERO. I mean, there's so many possibilities here with this wireless controller. So again, I'm looking forward to see what all you guys can do. A lot of cool stuff I can imagine. So thanks for watching.